What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about famous vector graphic artists. My name is Kylie Wilson. Just to let you guys know, these are kind of hard to find. So, we're going to start with Chris Levens. He was born and raised in Pennsylvania. He graduated from Penn State University with a BA in film and video, and he currently lives in Los Angeles, California. And his artwork is just flat out really cool. And then I saw somewhere that he's working at Disney, I think, right now as an artist, so that's pretty cool. Next guy is Tom Whalen. He was born on October 28th, 1948, and he is 70. He is an American and scholar. He graduated from several different schools, such as University of Friedberg, Tulane University, University of Arkansas, and Harlan University. And then I think there's several more. I think he graduated from 7, which is a lot. And then his artwork is pretty legit too. I kind of like it. And then the last but not least is Jonathan Ball. Born in Sheffield. He lives in Manchester. He graduated from Manchester School of Art in 2008 and has a passion for Art Deco and ancient art. So as you can tell, from ancient art, I'm guessing this would be it, and Art Deco. But yeah, that's about it. So